Pleasant day to all. Today we are trying to educate you with the topic Environmental Day. Initially, I request you to follow our page Media Hustle to know more. At first, we shall know how the environment is being polluted by the cities. Let's talk about pollution in our own city, Bangalore. Bangalore is one of the most successful cities in India with developing economy. The growth of the city has given so many economic advantages to the country and people, but city forgets to balance its own nature. The rapid growth in urbanization and the poor balancing became perfect spot to settle waste. The waste was created by various stakeholders in the city. Sustainable strategies can be formulated to avoid possible health hazards. Because of improper management, prevention became possible. This comes with the mindset most of the industries are occupied by the Gen Y, the generation who saw the growth of the city and also lived most of the life in the city. The waste generated by city is 4,500 tons per day. The waste used to transport to the neighbor district is more than 10 years now. The natural resources in the soil is contaminated due to these activities. The resistance from neighbor district blocked the movement of waste and generated waste are being dumped in every corner of the city. Mindset of people in Bangalore, blinded with the growth of city and capitalist culture, became common norm among people who spent their life in Bangalore. Empirical studies suggest that Bangalore will become the unsafe city within 5 years down the line. Among the 6 Indian cities featured in the global analysis, Bengaluru is featured better than Delhi and Mumbai, despite recording relatively better air quality last year. Owing to strict lockdown, air pollution continues to be a serious public health issue, which also drastically impact on our economy. Among the 6 Indian cities featured in the global analysis, Bengaluru is rated better than Delhi and Mumbai, but is worst off when compared with Chennai, Hyderabad and Lucknow. So now, do you all know why the World Environmental Day is celebrated? Now we shall know. The day was celebrated for raising awareness on environmental issues as marine pollution, overpollution, global warming, sustainable development, and wildlife crime. World Environmental Day is a global platform for public outreach with participation from over 143 countries annually. For this day, the National Degree College journalism students conducted a campaign to encourage and know agriculture at its best. A field visit was organized. On this occasion, we went to visit to local organic farm on June 2nd, 2024, 3 days before the Environmental Day, which was on June 5th, 2024. The village name was Aravalli. Here is some information about silk culture in the place.
ಓಕೆ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಕವರಿ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೈನಲ್ ಒಂದು 15 ದಿವಸ ಫ್ರೀ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. 15 ದಿವಸ ಫ್ರೀ ಇದ್ದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಉಳು ತರಬೇಕು. 2 ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಒಂದು 30-35 ದಿವಸ ಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆ ತರ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೈಟ್ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ನೀರು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು, ಮೇವು. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯವಸಾಯ ನಾವ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಅದ್ರ
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾವ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ
ಬರುತ್ತೆ,
ಇಳುವರಿ ತಗೋಬಹುದು ನಾವು.
The campaign objectives were to gain experience on organic farming, to raise awareness about environmental issues and promote eco-friendly practices, to encourage people about tree planting and contribute to urban greenery, to educate the public about deforestation, pollution and biodiversity loss, to encourage young people to participate in the environmental activism and decision-making processes, fostering a new generation of environmental leaders. We wish that let the campaigns rise until environment stays healthy and human stays fit. This was today's video on Environmental Day. Hope it helped. Stay tuned for more videos. Send love. Thank you.